Presenting the Jeep 2016 Patriot Sport SE. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are dark slate gray cloth vinyl low back bucket seats, power value group included, keyless entry speed sensitive power locks, automatic headlamps, body color liftgate applique, body color door handles, power heated fold-away mirrors, illuminated entry, power driver, one touch windows, quick order package, 24 hours Sport SE included, engine 2.0 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, continuously variable transaxle 2 mineral gray gloss Jeep badge, rear bumper with mineral gray step pad, mineral gray Sport SE badge, mineral gray Patriot badge, mineral gray gloss roof rails, steering wheel mounted audio controls, bright exhaust tip, Sport SE hood decal, leather wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, AIR conditioning, transmission, continuously variable transaxle 2 included, auto stick automatic transmission.